So hey guys, in this video we will be seeing complete Python beginner friendly with notes, beginner friendly notes. Okay, so we will be seeing what are the key advantages of why the Python is so popular and leaving Java, C++ and other programming languages behind and booming such with such a great great impact in such a timeline. Okay, so and we will see what are the concept, how you can download, how you can learn Python in just 13 days with a practical projects, practical exercises. I will be providing everything, new resources, learning material with the end of this video. So we will be seeing what are the concepts or what are the fundamental of the Python code, what are the concepts like comments, variables, functions, data type, loops, conditionals, and other topics in Python. And we'll see how you can use them to start your journey, and from where you will find the other advanced concept and how you can learn the advanced Python. Okay, this will be just a basic thing that we will cover in just few minutes. Means we'll complete few basic Python in few minutes with this notes, and with this exercise you can complete your Python just 30 days. Just 30 days is the maximum time that you will require if you just give half hour daily. But if you are able to give 2 hour to 3 hour daily, you can complete this just in 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, so starting with the nodes. So first of all, we will be discussing what is the key feature. So what is the main reason of the popularity behind the Python growing so much in this period of time? Why? What are the reason why in machine learning, data science, Python is on Python is preferred? Everyone is preferring Python in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and why it is beating C++ or in Java and booming right now. Okay, so all the answer to these questions lies here. Due to its code readability. In programming languages, the most important thing is readability. How much your code is readable. You have to make sure that once you write the code, after if you come to it after a month, you should know what this code is doing. So it should be readable. Python is just basically a English like language with just rules and syntax. Okay, it has some basic syntax that you need to keep in mind, and else it is same. So it, and another reason is shorter code, something that shorter code in comparison to Java and C++. It takes you to do certain task, it takes 10 to 12 lines suppose. So the similar thing you can do with Python in just 2 to 3 lines. 2 to 3 lines you can do in Python. Okay, that's why the Python is booming right now. And the other thing is that it supports the library is huge. It has a support of huge libraries that help it to do machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science related projects. Okay, for analyzing data we have pandas, playing with doing numerical computation we have numpy. For building models, machine learning models, we have scikit-learn. For deep learning we have tensorflow. For drawing graphs we have matplotlib, seaborn, and other libraries that makes our work a lot easier. Libraries are nothing but pre-returned code that we simply use by importing them. Okay, they are pre-return code that we use by simply by using import function. Okay, and now moving to the download and installation. So how you will install, download and install Python? Simply by going to python.org, under the download section you can download the latest version of Python. And keep in mind, while installing you add Python to path. That's it, you will download your Python and now you can run your first Python program. To run your Python program you need to use print statement to display anything on your terminal. Suppose you want to write hey good morning on your terminal, so you will use print statement, print with curly braces and code inside it, and your hey good will be displayed here. To display anything, terminal we use print command. Okay, what are the fundamentals of Python indentation, comments, what are those? So I will provide you this PDF, the description, don't worry about that, and description, or I will tell you how you can download this. So what are Python comments? That are something that is ignored by the interpreter. Whenever you run your Python code, this the sentence written at the front of this hashtag, this symbol is ignored. Means when you run this code, this two line will be ignored. Only just this line will be executed. Print geeks for geeks. Okay. Another thing is using multi-line. There are two types of comments. First is single line comment and the another is multi-line comment. You can read about them in depth here. So the other thing is variables. What are the variables? Variables are not statically typed. These are this can be defined by user or changed. Okay. There are mainly three types of variable: float, int, and string. You can change them or do any operation, like suppose you add you initialized any variable with age, and after that you say that any number, suppose any number, like say 7. If you want to add this age and number, to write 45 plus 7, 52. How you will do this in Python is you can just simply write age plus number and you will see that you are getting the answer that is 52. That is how you use variables in Python. This is a code snippet. Suppose you write 48 as salary, sorry, 45 as age, and salary as 1456.5. Salary, it's a floating number. Decimal is used, it means a floating number. And here decimal is not used, so it's an integer. And this is a string, the character, so it's a string and it is written in double quotes. Remember, if it is a integer, it don't contain a float point or decimal number, it is considered as integer. If the number has a point or decimal, it will considered as float, and if this is a character or a character or word, it will be a string and will be written inside. So guys, let me close this video here. On the next video we will start from data types and we'll see other concepts like function and conditional. So hope you got the things that we covered today, like variables, what are variables, Python comments, and how can download. Just download your Python now and try this comment and print statement.